Everyone, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one. 3 Stars Sudoku number 7963. Well, this one should be an easy one. This one has 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, but this one has 28. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, don't think it's 3 stars, maybe a 0 or 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, let me see if this is a 3 stars puzzle or a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. Let me start with the 4. There's a lot of 4s. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so no row above, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay, and now which number? Let me see. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Oh, here. Alright, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first one, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this middle row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. And the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Alright. And now 7, 1, 2, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. There 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. And now 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, and now how about the 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yeah, digit number 3, number 2. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, okay. Let me see. 5, 7, 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in that column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 3, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, and look, we have 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. I need a 6 here, and I need a 3 here. 6 and a 3. 8 and the 9. Alright. 3 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. Come on. Need a 3 here. One box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square follows the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in this first column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. Alright. These 2 missing numbers in this big square form was the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in the third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. Well, did I make a mistake here? And these two should be not the 3 and the 6. Almost made a mistake. We have a 6 here. 3 and a 7 are missing here. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above, so that row the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.